In this companies area, there's just a few things that you would do, but the primary objective is to add any of the companies that you'd be working for. So if you have a builder or a remodeler or an architect or a designer, you would add their company here, and you would add the individuals that work there to the contacts list and link them together. So you can see here that the company Castle Contractors has a person with the last name Looney, Chapman has somebody with the name Chapman, and Radius Construction has someone with the last name of Beeson. There are several views here. The active is obviously people that you are currently working for in some way, that there's a project in the database. Inactive would just show all the people that you do not have any current projects for or that you have marked inactive. All would show both of those. And then the sales pipeline is useful for those that are working in the sales portion of the company, but it's nice that everyone can see it because someone may know one of these people or actually be kin to one of these people and be able to help you secure work with them. Really simple system here of we have someone who is not aware of us that we would call a suspect. We have someone that is a prospect that is aware of us, but we're not sure whether they have a need for cabinetry or not, but they know that we exist. And then qualified is both someone who knows we exist and has a clear need for cabinetry. So a contractor or a remodeler would almost always go straight from suspect, they're not aware of us. As soon as you make them aware of us, they would go straight to qualified because they have recurring work. They're constantly remodeling something or building something. But a homeowner that you have some sort of lead on that may be building, but you're not sure, or maybe thinking about remodeling, would go through all four of these ultimately to get to the customer. And if you find that they just can't afford your cabinetry or they're not going to work with you, you would put them into that disqualified category. And that helps long term that you have people in the disqualified category so you can kind of see how many people are being disqualified by either your pricing or your services or your offering. And then the form new company, this is not like the job application or the contact form. This one is for internal use. You wouldn't give this to someone to fill out for you. It's just an easier way to enter someone, especially if you're doing it from a phone and you're out in the field, you're in your car and you find somebody. So you would be saying, how did we find this person? Where do they fit in this scheme of this pipeline? Suspect, not aware, prospect aware, qualified, need, customer, disqualified. And then you just enter their information so that it will be in that sales pipeline for you to start working towards making them a customer. So that's it for the companies page.